Tear the sky apart. Watchers falling with a burning heart. Simjaza whispers, let the night begin, teaching mortal hands the ways of sin. As I tell forging iron blades of war, make a magic secrets never known before. Giants rising, city soaked in fear. The Nephilim scream as they draw near. You broke the seal, you crossed the line. You lit the spark and corrupted minds. Science, dropped from heaven like a hammer from God above. Thrown in darkness where the angels ride. Judgment, hear the thunder of the Holy One's call. Chains of the Watchers, you're never leaving at all. Judgment, backyard. Gabriel rises with the sword of flame, Michael roaring as he calls their names. Raphael binds them in the rocks below, valleys trembling with the final blow. The giant sons devoured by the flood, waves of justice breaking like a crimson blood. Bound in caverns where no light survives, waiting for the fire when the king arrives. Shamans bury screaming in a desert grave. Fallen, no redemption for the ones who stray. Judgment, till the fire cracks a world in two. Yeah. Judgment, God's coming down on you. Whispers in the pit, screams in the dark. 200 angels who forgot